So, little computer build video, building a basic sort of web browsing, regular work type PC, no gaming, no really intense applications, but still going to be a very capable machine. It's going to be a Core i3. Unfortunately, no Sandy Bridge motherboards really available yet, so that's unfortunate. But Core i3, still a very capable processor, still one of the fastest dual cores available. Get a look at that motherboard. That's a nice looking board, micro-atx 1156 motherboard. Get this box out the way. Let's take a look at this thing. There's a let's see, we got two memory DIMMs. There's the socket. We got a PCI Express and two PCIs. Plenty of SATA ports. Gigabyte does a good job. It's a pretty good motherboard to build in. There's the CPU. Core i3. Put in the CPU right here. Open this up. Pull off the cover. Let's see how I have this thing. There we go. There are the CPU pins. CPU. Pull this out the plastic.
There it is. There's some serious intelligence in my hand.
There we go. CPU in socket. Everything's lined up. Pull this thing and lock it down. There that is. There's the CPU in there. Get that down. Memory.
One stick, two sticks of RAM. You guys should see the last build. I had 6 sticks of 4 GB each, so 24 GB of RAM for that system. That was a really wicked build board I built. It has a 1U system. Little pancake computer, nice and thin. This thing's supposed to be pretty slow, so it's got a nice little micro-atx system. So I'll open the case up in a few minutes. Actually, now's not the time. Once I get the CPU fan on there, it's regular Intel heatsink, nothing special.
So just got the case out of the box. This in-win micro-atx case. Pretty small and pretty sleek looking, to be honest. It's got this nice shiny bit in the front and pretty sleek looking. It's gonna look good with that black LG DVD burner coming out the front. So yeah, this is actually a pretty nice case. Nice little box in here. Looks pretty good. So pretty much done here. Got everything wired up. Got a hard drive mounted there in the front. That's the only 3.5-inch internal mount, and then there's the burner up there. Motherboard in the middle. And this thing's pretty much built. So let's push the power button on the front and see what happens. So I don't know if you can hear this, but it's booted. Very quiet machine, not much really in here. Just the Intel CPU cooler and this little 80mm fan, it looks like. So I got it all hooked up here. So let's push the button. Oh, here we go. It's kind of cool. Go into frequencies. screw around with multipliers and stuff. Like if you look right now, that's the stock clock, 3.33 gigahertz. 133 as the base frequency times a 25 times multiplier makes 3.33 gigahertz. But if we go down here, we can change that number to say like 200, and now look, 5 gigahertz. But we're not going to do any overclocking on this machine because it doesn't really need it, and it's not my machine. So I'll just put this back to 133. But yeah, it really shows you how easy it is to overclock on these new chips. It's pretty impressive.